Hello guys, today our topic, the most important topic, Dalton's law of partial pressure for 11th chemistry. So this is the most important topic, guys, and I already told Graham's law of diffusion, and so all related topics మన ఛానల్లో ఉన్నాయి, and subscribe చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ అనేది కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి. So guys, coming to the topic. So Dalton's law of partial pressure statement. This is the statement for total pressure exerted by the mixture of non-reacting gases is equal to the sum of partial pressure of gases. So I want to explain this for diagram. So now you want to take that one gas, that means H2, and another gas you want to take another gas like CH4, and another gas take, that is one O2. So this is the H2 gas, and this is the CH4 gas, this is the O2 gas. These three gases intermixing, so these three gases intermixing, and another gas is formed, that is, so you want to find out total pressure how much. So what is the statement? Total pressure exerted by the mixture of the non-reacting gases equal to the sum of partial pressure of gases. So this is the H2 and this is the CH4, this is the O2. These three partial pressure intermixing, one of the partial pressure is formed, that is the total pressure. So in this topic you want to find out the total pressure you should find out. So this is the statement. So PT is how much you want to find out. So that means H2 is 400 atm and CH4 is 580 atmosphere and O2 is 100 atmosphere. So we all know that H2, CH4 and O2. So in this partial pressure, in these three gases intermixing, PT and total pressure how much you want to find out that. So mathematically, so how to write? Total pressure PT is equal to, so total pressure PT is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. So and up to so on. So what do you want to find out? So total pressure, you want to find out the total pressure, that is what? PT is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. So PT is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. So where PT is equal to total pressure of gases. So what is that PT? Total pressure of gases. So in this, P1 is equal to partial pressure gas 1. Partial pressure gas 1. And P2 is equal to partial pressure gas 2. And P3 is equal to partial pressure gas 3. So this is the P1, P2 and P3. So now coming to explanation. So this is the H2 gas and this is the CH4 gas and this is the O2 gas. So H2 how much? You know all that. Partial pressure of H2 is equal to 400 atm and partial pressure of CH4 is equal to 500 atm and partial pressure of O2 is equal to 100 atm. In this, now you want to find out that total pressure how much. So what is that? So total pressure how much you want to find out that. In this topic you want to find out the PT. Suppose we have three gases. So suppose we have three gases like H2, CH4 and O2 gases. All three gases are enclosed one DMQ box. So all three gases enclosed one DMQ box, right? All three gases are enclosed one DMQ boxes. So partial pressure of hydrogen is, so how much is here you want to write, right? Partial pressure of, so partial pressure of hydrogen is 400 torr, right? And partial pressure of oxygen, so oxygen is 100 torr. And again partial pressure of methane is 500 torr. So now we want to find out the total. So the total pressure will be, so the total pressure will be how much? So P tot is equal to pH2, that means partial pressure of hydrogen, partial pressure of methane and partial pressure of O2, right? And pH2, so how much? 400 plus CH4 how much? 500 plus PO2 how much? 100. So total is 1000 torr. So coming to another. So mathematically you want to prove that, total pressure how much, and from the general ideal gas equation. So you want to find out the total pressure from the general gas equation. We all know that the general ideal gas equation, I already told in previous classes also, so you can check it, this one also. The general ideal gas equation is equal to PV is equal to nRT. So this is the ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. Now the equation of, so in this equation now the above equation of H2, CH4 and O2 gas is, so from above equation, so you should find out that hydrogen, methane and oxygen compare cheste. Now you want to write like this. So above the equation you have to participate H2, CH4 and O2. So in this PV is equal to nRT, right? Again PV is equal to nRT, right? And again PV is equal to nRT, right? So in this PV is equal to nRT, so in this V is, that means volume is constant for all three gases, and R is constant for all the gases. Temperature also constant for all this. In this we have to non-constant, that means pressure and number of moles. So pressure means hydrogen, CH4 and O2, this is difference, and number of moles. So number of moles, how many number of moles, that is also not constant. So in this PV is equal to, that means pH2 is equal to NH2. So PCH4 is equal to NCH4. Again PO2 is equal to NO2. So simply you should write like this. So you should write like this. PV is equal to nRT. So PV is equal to nRT. Sorry guys. So PV is equal to nRT. You should write like this. So pH2. So you want to only pressure. So when you want to pressure, this V is multiplication or divide. సో ఈ V ఇటు వెళ్తే ఏమవుతుంది, డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. కాబట్టి pH2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు NH2RT/V. అగైన్ PCH4 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు NCH4RT/V. అగైన్ PO2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు NO2RT/V. So this is the equation. So the total pressure of mixture of gases are, so in this the total pressure of mixture of gases is, so total pressure of mixture of gases is, so how to write, so already I wrote equation PT is equal to pH2 plus PCH4 plus PO2. So in this PT is equal to, what is the pH2, you have to write PNH2 RT/V plus NCH4 RT/V plus NO2 RT/V. So now PT is equal to, RT/V is common, so you have to write NH2 NCH4 plus NO2. So you have to write RT/V is the common థింగ్ కాబట్టి నువ్వు మీరు పక్కన పెట్టేసి, సో NCH2 NCHO ప్లస్ NO2. సో PT ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఇన్ దిస్ టోటల్ ప్రెషర్ అన్నప్పుడు PT అను, సో టోటల్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోల్స్ అన్నప్పుడు యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ లైక్ దిస్ NT, టోటల్ మోల్స్ ఆఫ్ NT, సో RT/V. సో క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేస్తే PTV ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు NTRT. So in this ideal gas equation, what is the ideal gas equation is PV is equal to nRT. From ideal gas equation what you have to prove, so total pressure and you proved. So from the statement also you should find out the total pressure, that means PT. So from ideal gas equation you find out that PT, that means total pressure, you find out. So this is the most important topic guys, so don't miss to watch, and all related topics మన ఛానల్లో ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, మీకు వీడియోస్ కనిపిస్తుంటాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ గైస్.